Look at this floor. We're about to wash this floor and a little clean up around this dining room. So watch the procedure. We're going to use the buffing room machine to wash the floor. And then outside, we do the door handle with a little brasso. So check the procedure. That's the wash. Look a little bit better. Yeah, floor wash. Yeah, a little bit better now. So this door handle, I don't know if anybody know that it could clean, but watch miracle right in front of your eyes. We're gonna clean this with some brasso. So check it out. Yes, and now it become a gold. Now you got a gold door, not a rusty iron.